Hey guys, it's Cheryl from Chic Done Cheap. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a couple of Christmas DIYs to get ready for the holiday season. Most of the stuff is from Dollar Tree, or you can find something similar on clearance at Michael's or Hobby Lobby. So let's get started. And remember, I'll put the link to my previous year's Christmas playlists, which I had, I think the last 3 years, I did like 10 days of Christmas, 12 days of Christmas, 25 days of Christmas, etc. with a bunch of old DIYs. But Dollar Tree does come out with similar products year after year, so you can still find them. So let's get started. Project, you'll need just something for the base. I use this wire basket that I got on clearance from Michael's. They have a lot of clearance for the fall stuff, so you can get 70 and 90% off. A piece of styrofoam, and then one of these Dollar Tree Christmas trees. I'm just going to pull the whole base and bottom off. I went outside and spray painted it with a little bit of white spray paint to give it that like flocked snowy look, even though I don't have fake snow on it, but you could do some fake snow spray. I just didn't have any. You could just put the styrofoam in there. If it doesn't stay tight, you can glue it, but I want to reuse this basket for a different season. So I'm just going to go ahead and poke it in, and then if it doesn't stay steady, I'll just add some extra styrofoam. Okay, so I just stuck another piece of styrofoam behind it to get the tree to stay. I got a cardinal. I got this cute little ornament that says joy, which I think I'm going to attach to the front of the thing here. I got this cute snowflake that looks like the burlap snowflake that we can hang on here, real cute. And then some of these picks. I love when Dollar Tree puts out the picks that are 2 for $1, because you can score some extra. I think these were probably left over from last year. I'm not sure if they have the same pattern out this year, although a lot of times they do. And sometimes my Dollar Tree puts out stuff that they must have found boxes from last year and didn't sell, and they just put them out. So I got 2 with apples and 2 with pine cones. Then I just have this pack of little ribbon bows just to add a little bit. A piece of fabric in here, or a piece of ribbon. Oh, this might be cute too. You could just, I think I might even do this. Dollar Tree has cute burlap ribbon. I happen to have this on clearance from Michael's, but I know they have the same pattern, which I do have upstairs. I was just working on another project, so I kept this out, but they do sell this same plaid ribbon at Dollar Tree. I have it upstairs. So if you have that, that's really cute. So stuff in here. And right now Michael's is having 70% off some of their fall stuff. And I did see some of these wired baskets there. So you can find one there, or I'm sure Dollar Tree sells something similar. They even have like the plastic baskets with the wire, and you know, you can improvise. So I think I'm going to do like this. I think I'm liking the cute, looks like a tree skirt. I think I like that. I think I'm going to leave that in the bottom. I think that's really cute. Okay, and then let me see if I can get the camera to come up a little better. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and start sticking in these picks, and it'll just fill out the tree a little. And I'm just going to make like a little hook and like hook it in there. And I lost my scissor. I think I'm just going to do something like that. Because what I do is then, if at the end of the season I change my mind with stuff, I could just take my little picks or whatever I had in it out. I think something like that's looking cute. Cute. That looks pretty cute. So here's the finished tree. I just went ahead and added the joy ornament, and then the snowflake burlap ornament, and then some of the picks and berries and some of the sparkle ribbon bows that were at Dollar Tree. I think it looks really cute. So if you can score some of these cute fall things on clearance, you can easily turn it into the next holiday. And nothing's glued down in there, it's just placed in styrofoam. So if I want to remove it and then use it in the spring or summer for a different decor, I can still reuse the basket. So this was this cute little Dollar Tree mini tree. Okay, so for this next DIY, it's real simple. You're just going to need a glue gun and then one of these 3-piece funnel sets that they sell in Dollar Tree. And you can use any ribbon you want, preferably a ribbon with a wired edge. Now, Dollar Tree sells a similar plaid just like this. It's just I have a bunch of these that I got from the $4 grab bags last year at Michael's. So rather than buy more, I'm going to use what I got. But you can get this similar pattern, identical, at Dollar Tree. They have it every year. So we're just going to basically cut open our funnel set. So you have 3 pieces. And we're going to take the ribbon and we're going to fold it around in glue, and then we're going to stack them, and it's going to make a beautiful tray. So let's get started. Okay, so for this part you're going to just use your glue gun, and then I'm going to line up all 3 of these sections with this hook piece facing the same way, and I'm going to put a bead of glue here and attach the medium one, and then I'm going to put a bead of glue here and then attach the large one. And then you're going to need your ribbon, 2 coordinating ribbons. So I'm going to use this one, and then I'm going to go get another one that coordinates nicely with it, and we're going to go ahead and build this tree. So I'm going to plug in my glue gun to get it nice and hot, and let's get started. So after you've glued all 3 tiers of your funnels together, you're going to either cut a large piece of ribbon. I suggest about 3 feet, maybe 36 inches. Or if not, I learned later on, just use the whole roll and don't cut it until you're ready, and this way you don't have any waste. And what you're going to do is you're going to glue it down, and then every few inches you're going to pinch about 1.5 inches or so to pleat it and glue it again. And you're just going to continue that around the whole first part of the bottom funnel. And then after that, we're going to build on top of that. So you're just going to glue, spread it out a little, pinch and pleat about 1.5 inches, glue until you filled the whole base like so. Once you've done that, you take your coordinating ribbon and you're going to cut them in about like a 4-inch piece. I cut mine so 2 deer head would show, but usually about a 4-inch piece is good. You're going to fold it in half, put a bead of glue to seam the 2 seams together, and then a bead of glue on the back piece, and start adding them around the middle funnel. And you're just going to fill them in all around, and then don't worry about them looking flat. You can bend the wire of the ribbon later to fluff the whole tree out. We're just trying to build it. Then I'm going to go back to the plaid ribbon, and I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to pinch it and pleat it and fill in every so often just to like change it up and coordinate back and forth. So I'm going to go in between the 2 pieces where you see that little seam there and add it. Okay, so you're just going to keep alternating your ribbons back and forth, and then when you get like maybe 3/4, a little less to the top, you're going to go back and do the same thing like you did on that bottom row where you took your main ribbon, so like the plaid ribbon, and you're going to do the same thing now and do glue it down, and then every couple of inches you're going to pinch and pleat about 1.5 inches to make it look like a little skirt fullness there. Use your eye for judgment. I went and added it when I was like above the second funnel, so I'm attaching it to like between the second funnel and the top funnel, and I'm just going to pinch and pleat the whole way around, and then I'm going to do the same thing and coordinate the other ribbon and the smaller pieces and do the same thing until I get to the top skinny part of that funnel. Once you get to the top of the funnel, go back to your first fabric that you made the little skirted bottom. So mine was the plaid. And I'm just going to squeeze it and cover the funnel all the way to the top. So I did one row on the bottom, then I just folded the ribbon in half, and I'm going to put it around the top. Don't worry about it being perfect because you're going to cover it up with some more ribbon and a bow, so it really doesn't matter. But just you want to cover the white part of the funnel. So as you can see, I did it here, and I just added it all the way to the top, and then you can go around and fluff up your ribbons. And then I just made a bow out of the base ribbon, and I'm going to attach that. And then I have some of this burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree that I'll just make a bow with, and that's it. And I just make a little simple bow, glue it, and attach it there, and it's going to look so cute when it's all finished. So that's it. I think it came out really cute, really adorable. You can make these in different colors, different patterns, farmhouse, chic, whatever kind of ribbons you have on hand that you like that fits your decor. And in the end, I think these make a great accent for your holiday decor, your table, your tablescapes, your mantles, your shelves. You can give them away as gifts. They were inexpensive and fun to make, and this is a project you can do with your children. It doesn't take a lot. It's easy. Just watch out you don't get burnt with the glue gun, but it really cute. And I think these two projects coordinate with each other for that whole farmhouse Christmas vibe going on. And I think they just came out adorable. So I hope you enjoyed these Dollar Tree DIYs this week. And let me know which was your favorite in the comments below. And I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.